Hey my loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, get ready with me for this New Year's Eve, for which I have styled myself with this beautiful dress from Saaki and paired it with some oxidized jewelry. I'll talk about the brand in detail, but before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you never miss an update whenever I post a new video. Saaki is ethnic fusion wear brand in co-creation with Samantha Ruth Prabhu. Elevated everyday wear and festive wear available to purchase on www.saaki.co, Nykaa and Myntra as well. Let's quickly do my makeup first.
So for my makeup, I chose to keep it very simple and minimal. I have applied some moisturizer and after that I am applying concealer to the areas wherever I have uneven skin tone or I want to highlight, then blending it using my beauty blender. Quickly I did contour my face to give it some definition, and then I am setting everything on place using pressed powder. For my blush, I mixed my pink lipstick with lip and cheek tint and then applied it to my cheeks and nose to give it a sun-kissed effect. In winters, I love to create this look. After blush, I added some highlighter to my high points and then applied some eyeliner, and above that I applied pink eyeliner to create the graphic effect. Then I curled my eyelashes and applied a coat of mascara. Lastly, I finished the look using nude lipstick.
Heading out on a vacation this season? Add this top and skirt in a soothing shade hue to your holiday closet. The set consists of a top with short elasticated sleeves and squared neckline, paired with gathered skirt having front flat and back elasticated waistband. The dress is made up of a fine chiffon fabric which feels very soothing and comfortable. It feels really soft on the skin. You can wear it in multiple occasions, like you are having a holiday, you are going out with your friends or having a get-together party. You can style it in a multiple way as well, like which I am wearing right now, having an off shoulder, and another way you can wear it as a normal crop top. You can style both the products individually as well. You can style this crop top with any other jeans, shorts or any other skirt, and this skirt also you can style with any other top of your choice. If you look at the detailings like neckline, the ruffled sleeves and the stitching, it has the perfect finish. As per my experience, it has a really great quality to wear in your everyday or in your special occasions, because it has all style, comfort and quality. For the style and fabric, I will give 10 on 10 for this product, and I would definitely recommend you to visit Saaki.com. Saaki has a wide variety of the products on their website. You can visit and check out. All the details about brand and product purchase link I'll be mentioning in the description box, so don't forget to check it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share your experience with Saaki with me in the comment section. So that's it for today guys. I love you all so much and I'll see you with a brand new one. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.